Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I remain at Charmwind Federal, and on today's video I'll be taking you through how to find relevant and useful information to your research. Take for example, you have been given a coursework to research on, and there is where we can find the relevant information we need for our research. And today I'll be taking you through how you can get the relevant and useful information to your research. Now you open your Google Chrome, then from Google Chrome you type Google Scholar. This is where you'll find the work which has been published. Then you click here. Here it is showing us Google Scholar. As you see here, we are now on Google Scholar, and here saying stand on your shoulders of giants. And here we have articles, meaning mainly in Google Scholar we shall find articles which you can read, and there are articles which can help you find out the real thing you are doing. And when someone reads your work, someone can really understand your work. And from here, take for example, you want to search about causes of road accidents in Uganda. Here we go, and on this same Google Scholar it has the time. Like you want to search the causes of road accidents, specifically in which year, ranging to which year. Here we have since 2015, since 2024, since 2021. So for example, we want to see road accidents since 2024. You click on 2024. And here we are saying trends of the traffic injuries in Uganda since 2012 to 2023. Then factors contributing to motorcycle in brackets borders in Africa. Then human activities contributing to accidents and disasters in transport of petroleum products in Kenya. And here we have investigating the cost, mechanized and paved road maintenance operations in Uganda. Then we have here related articles. As you can see here, you click on it, it is searching on the factors contributing to the causes of road accidents in Uganda. Here we have factors contributing to motorcycle border accidents in East Africa. And all here as an article has given us detailed information. It has in-text citations. And here in Africa, Uganda is inclusive, in particular the thing in Africa, Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda. Motorcycles, taxis are termed as border, that is Bishop. When you see ETAL, meaning, and so many other authors, but the first author was taken in the year that article was published. On today's video, we shall be ending here, and I wish you the very best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.